So, attempting to grow one of these, a bird of paradise. Usually they're grown much closer to the equator. I'm going to be growing in Ontario, Canada. So it says it's a perennial plant. It reaches a height of 100 to 150 centimeters. Transplant when the seedlings have 10 to 12 true leaves. Direct sun, frequent irrigation, especially in the height of summer. Soak the seeds for 48 hours before sowing and keep moist until germination occurs. So it sounds similar to a pea. I'll show you what it looks like in here. Don't mind my dirty table. It's my potting table. So it looks like, oops. It looks like it's got some fluff on it. Stay tuned if you're curious on what happens, and I'll do an update after it germinates to show you what it looks like.